Passkeys. They're an alternative to passwords, and they are a more secure way of managing, locking down your Google Gmail account, as well as other accounts that may have passkeys enabled as a security feature. I'm going to show you how to create a passkey on your Gmail account. But before I do, if this channel is useful to you, if you get value from the videos I share, subscribe to it so you can catch the more videos that I create along the way. If this one video right here is helpful to you in any way at all, do me a favor, like it so I know that you got a value from it. And lastly, if you have any question about Gmail or Google Workspace or anything that I share, comment on any of my videos, ask me any question, and I promise you I'll answer it, sometimes by creating you a video that speaks directly to it. Let's talk about passkeys. The way you manage passkeys is you go click on here and go to manage your Google account. In your Google account, you're going to want to go to security and sign in. Now you can see I have some recommendations right here. You should always pay attention to these security recommendations that pop up. I click on that, you'll see it wants me to turn on passkeys. Sign in faster. It wants me to turn that on. So how do we do that? Hit continue. Now I've turned on the ability to use passkeys. Now I have to create a passkey. So when I go to create a passkey, because I am using LastPass, it automatically created a passkey in LastPass for this account. Again, because I'm using LastPass. Another benefit of using LastPass is you can put passkeys in here so you don't need to use passwords. So I'm going to hit save. Passkeys created. I'm going to hit done. Now LastPass is telling me they're available everywhere I use LastPass. My MacBook Pro, my MacBook Air, my iPad, my iPhone. Everywhere I have LastPass, that passkey is saved for me. It's also reminding me that passkeys give increased protection from bad actors. It's because they need to have your device in order to get into your account. I'm going to hit got it. Now, if you don't have the LastPass enabled, when you create a passkey, if I go to create another one, it's going to want to create another one using either your fingerprint, your face, a screen lock. You can create a passkey on this device or another device. So if I go to create a passkey on another device, it's going to want me to use a device that I am logged into this account on. Let me repeat. In order to use another device, I need to be logged into this Gmail account on that device in order to create a passkey on the other device. My iPhone, one of my Androids, or my iPad. So make sure you're logged into the account, and then you can say use another device. And again, it's going to want you to scan basically a QR code to be able to create that passkey for this account on another device. Urge you to start researching and experimenting with passkeys. Again, it is a much more secure way of locking down your online accounts. Now you can see that once I've created that passkey, I no longer have a warning about a tip that I need to do. And by the way, while I'm here, you can see I have two-step verification. I have my passkeys, and I have my Google prompt to this other device. It'll send a message to YouTube or to Google. I have two-step verification phone numbers, recovery phone number, recovery email address, and I have made a copy of my backup codes. My Google account's important to me. Your Google account is probably important to you. If so, protect it with all the features that Google gives you to be able to protect your account. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I hope this is helpful for you.